We are on the hill right next to the volcano, watching it from a small mound here where the people usually come to see the eruption. With heavy rain, unfortunately I wasn't very lucky. It was okay weather in the beginning when I came here, but later it just got worse and worse. Now it's raining really bad. Because of that you can't see volcano well. You can see something, but not that great view as before. There you see it. See what is happening around. A lot of steam. Yeah, this is the best viewpoint. I think the best viewpoint is probably from that mountain, from the top, but here it's not bad. If it would be nice weather, I would climb there, but now it doesn't make sense. This mountain got devoured by the volcano. It's just surrounded by lava from all sides, as you see. Poor people, because it's like 1 hour walk almost in the rain. And the rain is very bad. God bless and greetings from Iceland.